We see the power of the human spirit in its full glory when an athlete pushes through blood, sweat, and tears to get to the finish line. The no pain, no gain saying was invented to remind athletes not to let pain get in the way of their goals. They can do this thanks to the survival mechanism that blocks pain when there's a threat. This is built into our physiology, so we could run away from a tiger even with a broken leg. When the competition is closing in, an athlete's physiology is in the survive state, allowing them to override the signal telling them there's a problem in their body. This works great for athletes, but when you shift to exercising to be healthy, it's time to rethink pain. Pain scientists know that pushing through pain tells the brain you didn't get the signal, and it has to send more pain signals to get your attention. Pain is your body trying to let you know there's a problem. Ignoring pain perpetuates it by increasing inflammation and causing more damage. Pain science tells us this contributes to chronic pain because the brain starts sending more pain signals than is needed for the level of injury. Unfortunately, the athletic mindset about pain has found its way into the healthy exercise mindset. It has led to the strongly held idea that the start of exercise will be painful and the belief that your body just has to get used to it. It has us believing that pain is a sign of progress. No pain, no gain was never meant to say that pain is needed for progress. It's just a side effect of competing to win. This is a huge misunderstanding about the saying that unfortunately is severely limiting our use of exercise for health. When you change your core why for exercising to being healthy, the better saying is, pain is a sign something needs to change. If you're pushing through pain and feel sore and fatigued from exercising, it was too much too soon, and you are slowing progress. Meeting your body where you are, starting at the level that is not painful and gradually progressing from there has two benefits for your health. First, it gives your body and brain more energy to go into healing, growing, and learning, or in other words, being healthy. Second, it tells your brain that exercise is something to repeat, speeding up the process of making exercise a habit. There is some pain that you need to move through, such as the stiffness from a joint with arthritis that has been still for too long. The key is staying in the healthy zone. That is the level of exercise that lowers pain and gives you energy. Too little movement causes inflammation to build up, but so does too much movement. The healthy zone might be found by doing smaller range of motion or a different type of movement, or shorter bouts of low-intensity exercise several times a day. The key is listening to and trusting what your body is telling you through pain and fatigue. This takes a shifting of who is in charge when you're exercising. As an athlete, your brain overrides what your body's telling you through pain and fatigue. As a healthy exerciser, your body is in charge. It doesn't lie. The more you trust it, the more you stay in that healthy zone. This week, practice finding your healthy zone for exercising and know that you are making faster progress than if you push through pain and fatigue. Next week, we will wrap up this episode of the Weekly Well by getting out of the all or nothing mindset and ensure that exercising is a lasting, healthy, and enjoyable habit.